Hey guys, Leah here with Ode to Paper. I am here for the Nicole Jones 911 Designs design team, and I am going to show you the December unboxing. So I have some files that I was given by Nicole to work with, and then I also have files that I purchased separately. I may have a problem and we may need an intervention. I love these files. So I'm going to show you my design team files first. And right now, Nicole has everything on sale. It looks like she's extended the Black Friday sale, so everything is like 50% off. And you can also use a code if you want to use the code LEAH10. That's LEAH10 to get 10% off your order. And that includes her classes. And I've taken her classes. They are fabulous. And I'm actually still working on a couple. So I decided to order some banners. I love the banners. They are a perfect addition to any cluster. I love that she has like the different designs on them. So you have plain ones, you have polka dots, stripes, and hearts. So I got the light gray 1 and 2. Gray is always a great addition to any color palette. I got the turquoise 1 and 2. I do a lot of this color. It's one of my favorite colors. So I got some of the coffee cups. The coffee cups are like, I so love them. Okay, so I got the blue. I got the turquoise, which I've already dug into. I got the pink. These are the 1 inch. I got the 2 inch blue. I got the blue assorted arrows, the pink assorted arrows, the turquoise assorted arrows, and I got some more banners. I got the pink, as soon as I can get them apart here, the pink 1 and 2. Look at those colors. They are so awesome. I got the blue 1 and 2. This is Summer Carnival, and you can see I was running out of ink, but you know what? It's not bad, and I will still use them anyways. And then I got some polka dot viewfinders. Her viewfinders, I just love them, and I thought when I, was considering getting them, and I thought, it's just a polka dot. What difference does it make? But you know what? Oh my gosh, they are so stinking cute. So this is apples and oranges. And these are the 2 inch viewfinders. This is a Cozy Cafe. I have Pastel Paradise. This is Radiant Rainbow. Seasoned Spices. Summer Carnival. I got the turquoise, so it gives you 4 different shades of turquoise. And of course, I ran out of ink at the bottom of this page. I got the 1.5 inch coffee cups in turquoise. And then I got more 1 inch coffee cups. So this is apples and oranges, Cozy Cafe, Radiant Rainbow, Seasoned Spice, and Summer Carnival. And what a great bunch of embellishments these are to add to your layouts. They're just so much fun. So I have also revamped how I store them, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm just going to show you what I went back and purchased, because I made the mistake of picking out my design team files a few days before Nicole released her new files for that week. So I had to go in and get them because it's going to be Christmas and I wanted to use the Christmas files. So I got the Holly bundle. Look at them. They're so stunning. So this is the large ones. These are the 2 inch ones. And then I have the, so these are the assorted sizes. So you have 1, 1.25, and 1.5. And then who doesn't love a good Christmas tree, right? So these are the large potted Christmas trees decorated with stars. These are the large potted Christmas trees decorated without stars. And we have the large undecorated potted trees. These you can use on any layout. They don't have to be for Christmas. You can even cut off the pots and just use them as a forest. So then we have the 2-inch with the stars, without the stars, and without any decoration. And then we have the assorted size. So you have the 1-inch, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2 with stars, without stars, and without any decorations. You can't go wrong. So, and then I had to go and complete some of my collections. So, you know, like I can't just order a couple of files. I'm trying to get all of them, of course. So if you have full set syndrome, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I got the 2-inch Seasoned Spice coffee cups, the 2-inch Radiant Rainbow, the 2-inch Cozy Cafe, Pastel Paradise, Apples and Oranges, Summer Carnival, and then of course I ordered the pink and the turquoise, which I've already dipped into as well. So, you know, you can't go wrong with teal and pink. So these are my files. Now I'm going to show you. I store them now pretty much the same way that Nicole does. I have them in a magazine rack in file folders. Here's some more that I have to file. So I have them in one of these, and I have them in file folders. So I have all of the assorted ones, all of the colors separated, and then I have one for fall. And what we'll do right now is create one for Christmas. So we can throw those trees and hollies in there. The one thing I haven't got yet is the peppermint ones. I want to get some of those as well. There, so we will put the hollies away. Some of these I accidentally printed twice. That's why they're here. They were in a different pile. And I was also creating layouts, so I was pulling out alphabets. Okay, so there's Christmas. Then I will just pull everything out. Pile little bit by little bit. So Cozy Cafe, so that means I need to go through, pull out all the Cozy Cafe and just toss them in there. So I won't do the whole pile with you, but I'll just do a couple so you can see. So Cozy Cafe cups, 2-inch cups. And we have, I don't think I have banners in that color. There, we have the 1-inch cups. Polka dot viewfinders. And I think that might be it. Yes, okay. So there's my Cozy Cafe files. And they'll go in Cozy Cafe file folder along with the other ones. So you can see where I've used them. I've got labels and arrows and viewfinders, banners, grid paper. All right, next up we have pink. My pink file is pretty full. That's okay. We will make it work. So is everybody ready for Christmas? Or are you still working on Christmas? I am pretty much done. I have a couple of more things to pick up. Like, I mean 3 things. That's it. And then I'm done. No credit to me because I am a Scrooge. I really don't. Christmas just doesn't appeal to me. So my daughter was the one that pushed me, and so we got a bunch of stuff done. And there's my small banners. All right, so there's pink put away. And we'll do Summer Carnival, and then I will let you go. But, yeah, so, you know, my daughter hounded me so we could get it done. And we got it done, which is good, because now we're ahead of schedule. I'm okay with that. Summer Carnival. Work has been absolutely crazy, so I have been quite busy. With Christmas programs and COVID stuff, and but it's all good. I did ask for some time off between Christmas and New Year's this year, which is a first for me. In the 5 years I've been working at this company or this agency, I've never taken that time off, so it was nice that she gave me that time off. All right, so I'm going to continue putting away my files, and I will see you again soon with some more layouts. You're going to see one with some of the Halloween digis, like the bats and the pumpkins. They were so much fun. And then you'll see another layout after that as well. So I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great week, and see you later.